What's up guys, CC here, and I'm back with another video for the channel. If it's your first time watching this channel, definitely consider subscribing and turning those notification bells on. Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing how I create a birthday crown for one of my customers, and this crown would be a unicorn theme crown. The first step includes wrapping your headband with a color ribbon of your choice, as seen here. Next, I went ahead and cut out unicorn ears using white glitter paper. I repeated the same process for the unicorn horn using gold glitter paper. Using a thick paper, I created a semicircle and I glued it to the headband. This is just creating space so we could glue our items on instead of gluing it directly to the headband itself. Now for the fun part, let's get into making our flowers. Using crepe paper, cut out 6 strips. I'm using 5 dark pink and 1 light pink because I want the inside of my flowers to have a different color. As you could see, I'm stacking each strips one on top of the other, starting vertical and then horizontal, back to vertical and then horizontal. Then go ahead and staple these together. Be sure to staple the center of your strips. Then starting with the first petal, grab one end and you're going to gather each side, slowly turning as you gather. Keep going around. It's like you're folding each side. And I normally just fold everything together once I'm finished, and then you go to the next layer. Start from the end and you're gonna gather each side. I'm on my third layer. Keep gathering each side as you go. And it's important to fold everything together once you're finished with each layer. So I will be repeating this process until I'm on my final layer. I have 6 strips, so I have to do this 6 times. I'm on my last layer. Repeat the same process, going around, gather each side, and then fold everything together. And normally I would let it sit for a while and then open it, but I want you to see how it looks. Carefully unfold each layer until you reach the first one that you started with. And there you have it guys. This is our first petal, and I love using 2 different colors. I love the dimension and edge that it adds to the flower, and to me it looks more realistic this way. So I'm going to go ahead and make the rest of the flowers using different colors. And these are our flowers. I have pink, yellow, purple, blue, and light pink, and they came out great. Once you've completed making your flowers, then go ahead and glue the flowers in the order you wish to glue it on your headband, and this is how it's looking so far. So at this point I forgot to cut out gold pieces for the ear, so I'm going to do that and show you the final product. This is the final product. It came out really well. Stay tuned for customer pictures coming up in the next clip. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't done so as yet, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.